Namibia's prisons are failing to provide condoms to male inmates, a practice aimed at preventing same-sex sexual activities. Now, senior prison nurse Sylvia Kambunga from the Walvis Bay Correctional Services Health Unit explained that inmates engaging in same-sex acts are placed in separate cells to prevent further incidents. Access to proper health care remains a major challenge in Namibia's correctional facilities, causing concerns about the well-being of inmates and the public health system. Overcrowding, limited resources, and logistical constraints make it difficult to provide timely and adequate treatment for chronic and emergency health conditions. Now, Kambunga's remarks were made during a Ministry of Health and Social Services stakeholder engagement meeting in Swakopmund. Moving on to other stories, the Association of Dependents of Namibia's Veterans has protested against the Veterans Act 2 of 2008, arguing that descendants of war veterans should be entitled to benefits from the Veterans Fund. Now, the group has given the ministry 2 weeks to review the matter and provide a formal response. Now, they are seeking registration as descendants of war veterans and employment or training opportunities in government institutions, expressing feelings of exclusion and neglect. The protest aims to address issues such as unemployment, poor living conditions, and poverty. Moving on to other stories, public interviews for the appointment of High Court judges began at the Supreme Court, with Regional Magistrate Barry Mufana appearing first before the Judicial Service Commission panel. Now, Mufana, who began his legal career in 2006 as a public prosecutor, currently serves as a regional magistrate in Katima Mulilo and Rundu. He has over 100 pending matters in his jurisdiction, but expects to conclude them within 2 months or finalize at least 80% of them. Deputy Chief Justice Petrus Damasep asked Mufana why bail applications are not increasingly conducted through affidavit, which shorten proceedings. Now, Chief Justice Peter Shivute noted that bail applications are increasingly becoming full hearings and asked how he would address his trend. The JSC interview panel consists of Chief Justice Shivute, Deputy Chief Justice Damasep, Yoletta Campbell, Elia Shikongo, and Sakyus Akwinda. Moving on to our last story. France has returned 3 human skulls from Madagascar, which were kept at a Paris museum for 128 years after they were looted during the colonial periods. Now, according to Al Jazeera, one of the skulls, believed to be that of King Toira, was slain by French troops. Now, the skulls were formally handed over at the ceremony held at the French Ministry of Culture. The skulls were taken back to France as a trophy and placed in Paris National History Museum alongside hundreds of other remains from the Indian Ocean island. The event marked the first restitution of human remains since